Hello and welcome to another Byte of Tech. Today I'll be reviewing student icons in Focus, so grab a coffee or a snack and let's dive in. Here you'll see a quick reference sheet of the current icons you may see inside of Focus. As a reminder, only admin and teacher users see these icons. If you'd like to learn additional information about the various student icons you may see in Focus, then check out the SIS manual, where you can find a detailed review of each icon and who to contact with questions. As a teacher, you'll see student alert icons when viewing your gradebook, searching for students, and when you've selected a student from the quick search tool. Hovering over the icon displays additional information. For example, when you hover over the ESE icon, it lists the student's exceptionalities. Most icons will also take you to the corresponding student information screen if clicked. If you notice that you're not seeing the icons, then check your user settings by going to Preferences and the Student Listing tab to review your alert icon settings. Thanks for watching another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Be sure to like and subscribe to be notified when new videos are released.